Have you ever had to force yourself to go ride? Not that I didn't want to, because I'm already sick, right? So this weather has just been so stupid here lately. Was it just a couple days ago the high was in the 20s? Now it's freaking 70 degrees. Tomorrow it's going to be raining all freaking day, so I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get out on the bike right now and go do some riding. We're going to go get on some trails, and I'm going to try not to crush my camera. I got to reposition the 360 camera somewhere. Yeah, I'm not going to go down the really muddy parts that I did Monday. I really want to, but that is something where I definitely need I need somebody else with me. But where I'm going, yeah, there will be some mud on this trail. There's definitely going to be some mud and some nasty spots on it. It's not technically what it's meant for. It's not meant for single track, but until these tires wear out, that's what I'm going to do with it. Because I've come to the realization that two things are going to happen. One, I'm going to put more road bias tires on there, because when it gets right down to it, we drive a lot in Texas, and if I want to go do some serious off-roading, I'm just going to pack the dirt bikes up and then go. If what I'm thinking about doing, I may trade this thing in the next trip I go on. Remember, to get up to New Mexico, just to New Mexico, is 750 miles. It's a long distance just to get out of Texas into New Mexico, and then from New Mexico you got access to the really good scenery and good riding. So if I'm going to rent a U-Haul and tote this bike up there and not do a whole lot of major mile munching, what's the point of having this big bad touring bike that can go off-road? Why not get something like the KTM, to where it is more off-road orientated, right? I don't know, man. I mean, damn. I know just driving around Texas would probably get old on that bike, because just going to see my mom is like a 4-hour trip. But once I get out there, there is a lot of places to go off-roading. I don't know. There's a lot to consider now. So my BDR trip opened my eyes up to. I'm probably going to not trailer, but load this bike up in a U-Haul truck, drive it to a spot, drop the U-Haul truck off, and then get on the bike and ride. It saves tire tread. I mean, that's 750 miles of tread just getting out of Texas. So yeah, that's what's been going on. And also getting another dirt bike. Man, I got to get some housework done, so getting another dirt bike next year is probably going to be a pipe dream. If I do get one, it's going to be at the towards the end of the year, maybe. I don't know. Well, it's all up in the air right now. That's another thing that I've been thinking of. I do definitely want a two-stroke, but you know, if I go with the Beta or Sherco, good grief, man, that's just as much as the T-Reg, you know, the Aprilia T-Reg, so if not more. So I mean, good grief, what? There's so many considerations because of the fact that I'm spoiled to this damn African Twin. It's freaking amazingly insane. So all right, now we can get around this guy. Why do I got a white screen? Whoa. Oh my God. See, just gonna have to get this camera thing figured out. I don't know what the deal is going on. Why in the hell is it white? I don't know. And go over here to photo, and it changes back, and it does that. If I hit 360 and hit 150, just to one camera, it's fine. Flip over to this camera, lens, and it's fine. But whenever I go back to 360, it's oh, I want to change the damn shutter speed on this again because it looks like it's a little too dark. I can't put it in second gear because there's too many whoops. There's too many whoops out here to put it in second gear. Can't really go that fast. But yes, this is all first gear right here. If I put it in second gear, it's going to be a lot of clutch work. Okay. Sand. Oh shit! Which way are we going? That was kind of deep. Oh, shit. We can't hit whoops on this bike, Dave. I heard the daggum center stand knocking around. This is why I'm saying second gear. If you go ride the AT on the trails, it's really just all first gear. Oh, damn. Ah. What the hell did I just hit? All right, let's pick her up, Buttercup. That sucked. Oh yeah. Damn it, I tweaked my handlebars. And of course, what I thought happened was gonna happen. I'm gonna have to have a word with Altrider. They never responded to my email. I asked them about this spring situation. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. This thing was a mother effer to pick up. Well, for one, it was... Hold on. It was slightly canted downhill or uphill. And I'm still sore as hell from working out. And what other excuse can I make up? I'm sick.
no problem. If you had a gun, shoot him in the head.